Good morning, students. I hope you all have understood the first three features of living things. These are living things move, living things grow, and living things need food. Now, today I am going to discuss next feature of living thing, that is living things breathe. Now, open your book on page 7. First, I will discuss the terms of this topic. These are breathing and stomata. Number 1, breathing. The process of taking in and giving out of air. Number 2, stomata. Small pores present on the surface of leaves. Now let's start reading. Living things breathe. All living things take in oxygen present in air and give out carbon dioxide. This is called breathing. All living things breathe. Underline this line. Take in oxygen present in air and give out carbon dioxide. Underline word present and write its meaning exist. Students, all plants, animals and human beings take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Today, I will discuss the different organs through which various living things breathe. Now, turn your page and let's read. Human beings breathe through lungs. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide through their nose. Students, the process of breathing occurs through lungs in human beings and land animals. Our lungs bring fresh oxygen into our body and remove the carbon dioxide through nose. So, lungs are the breathing organ of human beings. Now, come along. Animals like dogs, cats, cows and horses have lungs for breathing. Students, these all are land animals and they breathe through lungs. Next line, fish breathe through gills. Children, the fish lives in water but it does not breathe through lungs. A fish breathes through its gills inside the water. So, gills are the breathing organ of fish.
Now, next paragraph. Insects like grasshoppers and cockroaches take in air through air holes present on the sides of their body. Students, insects like butterflies and cockroaches are also living things. They also breathe in air. They do not have lungs and gills, but they have air holes on their body through which they breathe in air. So, the breathing organ of insect is air holes.
Now, next paragraph. Plants also breathe. They breathe through tiny pores called stomata present on the surface of their leaves. Underline word pores and write its meaning holes. Students, leaves of a plant have small pores on their surface. These are called stomata through which plants breathe in. So, stomata is the breathing organ of a plant. Now, you all have understood that living things breathe and non-living things do not breathe. Now, let's revise. How do the following living things breathe? Man. Man breathe through lungs. Plants. Plants breathe through stomata. Insects. Insects breathe through air holes. Horses breathe through lungs. And the last, fish breathe through gills. Students, tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter and revise questions. Thank you.